Hi friends! Welcome back to my kitchen. Today we are making the most delicious veggie bake in the air fryer. Let's place a tortilla sheet into our baking dish. Now let's crack in 3 eggs. If you want more protein, feel free to add extra eggs. This recipe's been trending all over, had to show you. Season with salt to taste. I like to add 2 pinches of salt since we have plenty of veggies coming on top. Add a pinch of smoked paprika. Pour in 100 grams of cream. You can also use plant-based cream if you prefer. Add 2 tablespoons of wheat flour. Now mix it all well until smooth. That's almost done, so easy, right? Peel the red onion. Slice it into thin strips. I hope you are enjoying this healthy recipe. I would really appreciate a like and a subscription to the channel. Now, let's peel the garlic. We will need about 4 or 5 cloves. Slice them thinly. Garlic just takes everything to the next level, does it not? That is it, almost ready. Now take about 30 grams of fresh basil. Chop it finely. Nothing beats the combo of eggs and fresh basil. Time for some green onion. We need about 100 grams. Chop it in your favorite way. Feel free to add any other greens too. They give the dish a nice kick. Now it is time for tomatoes. I picked 1 big juicy dark tomato. Chop it into small pieces. These tomatoes will make the dish tender and juicy. Cherry tomatoes work too, just cut them in half. One last slice and we are done. Add all the chopped vegetables and herbs into the egg mixture. First goes the spinach. Then we add the green onion. Sprinkle the sliced garlic on top. Smells like Sunday dinner. Now add the red onion. And finish with those juicy tomatoes. Everything is ready. Let's start baking. Let's set our air fryer. Bake at 180 degrees for 15 minutes. While it bakes, let's slice the sweet pepper. We will need about 50 grams. I'm using 2 small ones, but 1 large works too. Make thin strips so they roast nicely. The second pepper is a different color. I want to add some color. It smells so good already. I could eat it as is. Today's dish is not only tasty, but absolutely beautiful too. 15 minutes are up. Time to take out the bake. Look how gorgeous that is. Time for some cheesy magic. We will need around 100 grams. You can use any cheese you love. Now sprinkle some fresh herbs. I am using green onion. This dish is pure goodness. So many vitamins in here. Sprinkle the sweet pepper on top. That roasted pepper smell? Irresistible. Now scatter the remaining red onion. And back into the air fryer one last time. Bake at 180 degrees for 5 minutes. Take out the final dish. What a beauty! Cut into pieces. Perfectly baked, golden, and beautiful. Place the pieces on a serving plate. You can enjoy it while it is still warm. Bon appetit! Thank you for being with me today. Do not forget to like and share this simple and delicious recipe with your friends. See you in the next video.